Sony Xperia Pro 2 have just hit the internet, and they have sent a genuine shockwave through the professional filmmaking world. This isn't just a smartphone update. It isn't a minor camera bump to compete with Apple or Samsung. This is a $5,000 handheld monster that Sony is internally calling the ultimate cinema killer. Sony is taking the hyper-expensive DNA of their $50,000 Venice cinema camera, shrinking the physics, and packing it into a device that slips right into your pocket. To understand why the industry is panicking, look at what every other tech company is doing. We live in an era dominated by computational photography. When you take a video on a modern mainstream flagship, you're seeing what a massive AI algorithm thinks reality should look like. The phone takes a tiny sensor, applies aggressive artificial sharpening, and injects fake, software-generated background blur. It looks synthetic, lacks texture, and falls apart the second you try to edit it professionally. Sony went in the exact opposite direction. The Xperia Pro 2 is built on pure optical truth. The crown jewel of this leaked schematic is the world's first dual 1-inch Exmor T stacked sensor array. Most phones use sensors the size of a fingernail, but a 1-inch stacked sensor changes the entire physics of light capture. Because the sensor area is so enormous, it pulls in a staggering amount of native light without needing digital amplification or noise reduction. The Exmor T architecture separates the photodiode and the transistor into two distinct layers, stacked on top of each other. This means every single pixel holds double the light capacity of a traditional sensor. The low-light performance leak from internal testing logs shows that this device can shoot in near-pitch black environments and produce footage as clean and noise-free as a full-frame mirrorless system. But a giant sensor is useless without the glass to back it up, and this is where Sony introduced a feature people said was physically impossible in a mobile chassis, a true variable mechanical iris. This is not software, and it is not a digital trick. Surrounding that massive main lens is a physical, moving aperture system that opens and closes smoothly between f/1.2 and f/4.0. When you pull that aperture open to f/1.2, you get real, organic, optical bokeh. The background melts away naturally, creating a profound three-dimensional separation between the subject and the environment. If you want to shoot a cinematic close-up, the optical physics of this lens naturally isolates your subject, giving it that heavy, prestigious Hollywood texture that separates amateur footage from a masterpiece. Control over this lens system is pure engineering art. Leaks confirm the Xperia Pro 2 features a physical, rotating tactile camera ring built right into the housing around the camera module. Instead of tapping a greasy glass screen and praying the focus doesn't jump, creators can map this physical ring to pull focus manually, transition the zoom, or adjust the mechanical iris on the fly. It gives the operator absolute, tactile, physical control over the light entering the device. But how do you keep a sensor that massive, processing that much raw data, from instantly overheating? Everyone who has tried to shoot professional 4K or 8K video on a standard phone knows the pain. After 15 minutes, the screen dims, the frame rate drops, and a warning pops up saying the device needs to cool down. Sony knew that if this was truly going to be a cinema tool, it had to be completely bulletproof under production stress. The leaked internal schematics reveal a highly advanced, ultra-dense magnesium alloy chassis integrated with a custom heavy-duty vapor chamber cooling system. Sony has designed the entire backplate of the phone to act as a passive radiator, pulling destructive heat away from the processor and stacked sensors. The leak logs indicate that the Xperia Pro 2 can record continuous 4K footage at a blisteringly fast 120 frames per second indefinitely. No overheating, no thermal throttling, and no drop frames. You can rig this device up, hit record, and shoot a 2-hour documentary interview in the blazing summer heat without a single issue. The data this system pushes out is absolutely mind-boggling. Driven by an optimized next-generation Bion's XR processing engine, the Xperia Pro 2 supports true, uncompressed 10-bit log3 readout directly from ALL internal sensors. The camera does not bake a compressed, pre-colored profile into your video file. It captures a flat, massively wide dynamic range negative that preserves every ounce of detail in the brightest highlights and the deepest shadows. When you bring this footage into professional editing suites like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, you have the exact same grading flexibility as a Hollywood colorist working on a studio feature film. You can stretch the colors, rescue overexposed skies, and pull deep details out of the shadows without the image pixelating. Sony has also integrated their highly coveted S-Cinetone color science directly into the hardware layer. If you don't want to spend hours grading, you can shoot with a profile that delivers gorgeous, rich skin tones and a soft, cinematic highlight roll-off straight out of the camera. Sony didn't just build this device to be an incredible camera. They designed it to be the ultimate central nervous system for an entire production crew. On the side of the ruggedized frame sits a full-sized, dedicated physical HDMI-In port. This allows the Xperia Pro 2 to instantly transform into a professional, ultra-bright 4K field monitor for your primary high-end cinema cameras. The screen itself is a gorgeous 6.5-inch custom OLED panel tuned directly by Sony's Bravia display team, boasting incredible peak brightness levels designed to combat direct, harsh sunlight. For broadcast networks, the device features integrated 5G mmWave broadcast antennas. A solo operator can shoot high bitrate, professional-grade footage and stream it or upload RAW files directly to a remote editing bay thousands of miles away in real time. There's no waiting to dump SD cards. The camera shoots, the network transmits, and the editor works on the footage simultaneously from across the world. To complement this insane video power, the audio engineering side of the device has received an equally ridiculous overhaul. Sony has packed premium audiophile-grade components into the chassis. Unlike every other modern flagship that has stripped away physical ports, the Xperia Pro 2 proudly retains a high-fidelity, gold-plated 3.5mm headphone jack powered by an independent digital-to-analog converter. This allows audio engineers and filmmakers to monitor zero-latency, pristine audio directly from the device while recording, ensuring there are no hidden audio clipping or interference issues that could ruin an entire day of shooting. When you look at the totality of these leaks, you realize that the $5,000 price tag isn't a premium smartphone tax. It is a massive discount on a professional cinema rig. If you wanted to assemble a setup that achieves this level of optical clarity, unthrottled thermal performance, real-time wireless broadcasting, high-end monitor capability, and pristine audio control using traditional gear, you would easily spend tens of thousands of dollars. Sony is compressing an entire production van into a rugged, precision-engineered block of magnesium and glass that fits right in the palm of your hand. It completely bypasses the gimmicky AI trends of the modern smartphone era to deliver pure, raw, professional-grade creative freedom. The leaks are out, the blueprints are clear, and the traditional cinema camera industry will never be the same again. Soon enough, Sony Xperia Pro i2 is expected to release as a successor to the Xperia Pro I handset, which was launched in October 2021. There are certain rumors and speculations pointing to this release, backed up by some leaked posts as well. In this article, I will share all the currently available specifications and features of the smartphone. Where's the speculation coming from? All the buzz began from the sketch shared on Weibo by username Jason2025, which revealed a rear camera module with two large cameras, specifying the possibility of two 1.0-inch type sensors. If this has some truth, it is probably a huge upgrade from its predecessor, i.e., the Sony Xperia Pro I, which had only one of these as the main camera. However, the reliability of the leaked sketch is doubtful, as the account that shared it has a small number of followers, probably around 2,700, and lacks the reputation for leaking tech-related rumors. In addition to the sketch, a YouTube channel called Multitech Media has shared a 3D image of the expected Sony Xperia Pro i2. The image reveals that the smartphone has two primary rear camera sensors with TESR lenses from Zeiss, both measuring 1 inch and placed in the center. This provides further insight into the potential camera setup of the smartphone. The Sony Xperia Pro I features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC, a 4,500 mAh battery with 30W fast charging, and a triple rear camera setup with 12 megapixel sensors. It has an 8 megapixel front camera and has a price of around $1,799.99. So, probably the specifications of the Sony Xperia Pro i2 will be somewhat related to this specification of its predecessor. Also, there are rumors about a future Sony smartphone potentially featuring a double-layer transistor stacked pixel sensor, which is larger than the 1.0 sensor. However, it is uncertain if this sensor will be available to the Xperia Pro i2. In the camera world, Sony is a brand that does not need any introduction. Sony started the concept of mirrorless cameras and made it popular. And in recent days, when it comes to mirrorless cameras, Sony remains somewhat unrivaled. Today, we'll be looking at all the available models of Sony cameras in Nepal alongside their official prices. Even in the context of Nepal, the trend of mirrorless cameras is quite on the rise. The camera giant is offering many more features in its light and compact devices. So many photographers and videographers are inclined to Sony's ecosystem. For such enthusiasts, we have compiled a list of all the Sony mirrorless cameras available in Nepal along with the deals and discounts. Along with the specs and features, we have also included the latest price of Sony camera available in Nepal. Additionally, we've enlisted Sony's authorized showrooms from where you can buy genuine Sony devices too.